Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Klevv Cras RGB DDR5-6400 C32 memory kit.
Let's see if this memory lives up to the hype.
Klevv, known for its high-quality memory solutions, has introduced the Cras RGB DDR5-6400 C32 memory kit, promising a blend of performance and aesthetics. Now, let's break down what makes this memory kit stand out.
First off, the design.
The Cras V boasts a sleek and minimalistic design with a matte black aluminum heat spreader that exudes a premium vibe. And of course, we can't forget about the RGB lighting, adding a touch of customization for those who love to personalize their setups. The Cras RGB DDR5-6400 C32 not only looks great but also packs a punch in terms of performance. With Intel's XMP 3.0 and AMD's Expo support, overclocking is a breeze, offering better performance than its predecessors without pushing the limits too far.
But how does it stack up in real-world performance? Well, our tests showed that the Cras V delivers solid performance, landing it squarely between everyday consumers and hardcore enthusiasts.
With good enough performance and adequate overclocking margins, this memory kit is a reliable choice for many. However, it's worth noting that the Cras RGB DDR5-6400 C32 does come with a slightly higher price tag compared to some of its competitors. And availability might be a bit limited, especially in the US. In conclusion, the Klevv Cras RGB DDR5-6400 C32 offers a balanced mix of performance and aesthetics, making it a worthy contender in the world of DDR5 memory kits. Whether you're a gamer or an enthusiast, this memory kit has something to offer.
And that's a wrap for today's review.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, happy gaming and tech tinkering!